Question 15, circle two numbers which have a difference of 2. Now there's actually two different answers to this, so we'll colour code them. So one of your answers is -1 and 1. Let's just explore that one. So if we have a number line with 1 at the larger end and -1 at the smaller end, with 0 in the middle, 0 to 1 is a gap of 1, and 0 down to -1 is also a gap of 1. Put those together and you've got a total gap or a total difference. Difference is just another word for a gap between two numbers. So 1 plus 1 is a total gap or a total difference of 2, which is what the question is asking for. Therefore, -1 and 1 is one answer you could give. Another answer you could give is 1.5 and -0.5. And again, let's explore that one. So with a number line, we will put 1.5 at the larger end and -0.5 at the smaller end, with 0 somewhere in between. If you look at the gaps separately, then 0 to 1.5 is 1.5, and 0 down to -0.5 is 0.5. But again, if you add these two together, 0.5 add 1.5 is a total gap of 2, which also satisfies the question, a difference of 2. So there you have two different answers. You could have -1 and 1, or -0.5 and 1.5.